Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to install this Cargill LED lamp in Renault Duster. So let me show you what comes in the box. So this is the whole cable harness. So it has all these connectors on which these 4 LED lights will going to be connected. It's 4 LED lights provided. So you can see we have 4 connectors, so it will be connected in this one. Apart from that, we have a few of these cable ties and these screw to tighten the lights, because we have like a hole in them, so we can just tighten if like in your case you get a proper place to tighten them, you can tighten them as well with these screws. So first of all, let's check this how it looks before installing the light. So for that you have to just connect the cables with its locks. It's a lock. So you can see all these 4 lights are connected. Now let's test it how it looks. For the testing, it's a red color. The red will goes to the positive terminal of the battery and the black one goes to the negative. So I will going to connect and check how it looks. So this is how it looks. Regarding this product, like I ordered from Amazon, I will going to share the link from where I have ordered. So if you want, you can just buy it from there. I am not promoting this product, so you can just search online and buy the product which is like suitable for your car. So let's install it. For the installation purpose, I will not going to run a separate wire to the cabin of the car so that we have a switch. I will not going to do that. I will going to connect it with the headlight of the car. I will not going to put the load of these lights on the existing wire. So for that I will going to install a separate wire which will run from battery to these lights. I will install like 4-pin relay 12 volt, and for the safety of those wiring and relay I am going to install this kind of fuse. So like it's easily available in the market, very cheap price. So this is the relay which I am going to install. Once I switch on the headlight of the car, it will going to just provide the signal to this relay and it will activate the power from battery to these lights. So this is like a 4-pin relay. So this is the relay. So you can use the same relay for the installation of extra lights, horn. If you want to upgrade the light or horn, you can use these relays. So let's start the installation. First of all, just we will going to align these lights in the front grille. So for that let me show you how it will going to be installed, because in my case I will not going to make any cut in the plastic. I will not going to make any hole in the front grille. I will going to use the cable tie. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe this channel and like this video. So let's start. So as of now I have placed the lights over here, so I will going to install it over here, to here and to here. So this is how it will be installed. So as of now I have placed them, so I will going to just secure them with cable tie. So I installed the lights over here and secured them with the cable tie. So this is how it looks. So you can see it's not moving, and the same way it's installed over here, this one and this one. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 lights are installed. They are connected from the back side and the other side of the cable is here. So this is the cable. So if I show you, so here it's the routed. So it's on the back side of the radiator where the cable is routed. Now we have to provide the input power. So before started working on any of the electric part in your car, make sure you disconnect the negative terminal so it's disconnected. To provide the input, as I said, I will not going to just route this cable inside the cabin. I will going to provide the input power via headlight. For that I will going to install a relay which I have already shown it to you. So that relay will be triggered by the light, headlight, or whichever light, the high beam, low beam, or the parking light, whichever you prefer. You can use that one. In my case, I will going to use these parking lights to provide the input power to these LED lights. So now let's start the wiring part. To provide the signal to the relay, as I said, I will be use the parking light. So I have just take out the outer cover of this wire, so you can see the plastic part is removed and the copper is visible. So here I will going to connect the wire. So I will use this is small wire to connect it over here. After that I will going to wrap it properly with the tape, and the other end of this wire will be going to be connected to the relay. So let me connect this one and cover all the wires with tape. So all the cables are laid down, so let me just try to explain you. So this one is the positive, so I have the clip is installed which will going to connect to the relay. So we have a fuse as well to provide the protection. This one is coming from the parking light. So this one is the wiring harness which is provided with the LED lights. So the red one which is visible, it's positive, the black one is negative. So this one is negative. This will going to connect it to the negative terminal of the battery. It will going to provide the negative to the relay and to the LED light as well. So this is how it will going to be connect. So if you are following my video, I have just explained it multiple times, so I am just explaining it again. So the 30 which is marked over here, on this one the positive of the battery is connected. The which one on which the fuse is connected, we will going to connect it to the 30. And if you see on the top one, this is 87. So 87, this one is top one, this is going to the load, the LED light. So it will be connected over here. So this one is 86 and this one is 85. So these are basically to just provide power, the operating power for the relay, because relay is also like a electronic circuit for that functionality, for its functionality. So for this one, the 85, the negative will be connected which is coming from the battery, and on this one the 86, the cable which is coming from the parking light will be going to connected on this 86. So this is how it looks. So let me just install this relay, because I already connected all the cables and installed the pins as well. So let me connect this one. So this one is the positive, it will goes to the 30 coming from the battery. So wherever it is 30, you have to just connect it. So this is 30, you have to connect it over here. So this is connected, and now the positive, here the light will be connected. So on this one we have red wire which is visible, so red one goes to the 87. And the next one is the 85. 85 goes to the relay or the neutral which is coming from the battery, so it will be connected over here. So this one connected, and last one is the 86. On this one the cable from the parking light is connected. So all the 4 pins are connected, you can see. Now I will going to just connect back the negative terminal. So negative terminal is connected. So now I have to connect this negative wire. So if you check the wires, I have just provided them the safety from this the engine heat. So I have installed this the plastic shields on the wire, so it will going to provide a protection. If you cover the wire properly and just make sure it's a black, everything is black, so it will look like a factory installation, and it will not be easily identified from the engine bay like any wire or extra lights are installed. So that's why I prefer everything should be black. So I am connecting the negative. So later I'm going to install a clamp over here. As of now I've just tightened the wire. So that's done. Now install the fuse. So fuse is installed. Now just switch on the parking light and see how the light looks. So this is how it looks during the daytime. So after testing the lights, the cables are properly laid off, so it's secured with the cable tie. Relay is installed over here, so the installation looks neat and clean. Everything is properly secured with cable tie, as I said, and this is how it looks from the front. So installation very simple, no like the specific tool is required, only basic tools. You have to install the light, lay down the cable, connect the relay, and that's it. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching DIY Guy. Take care, bye bye.